Losing a loved one is one of the hardest life hits. Coming without warning, at least warning we didn't perceive as warning until we start looking back now. Wondering if his paces, going back and forth before he left the house that ill-fated day, not knowing what lay wait ahead of him. The last time we saw you, you rode your bike to our house, which my mom, your sister, warned you about, but you rode it anyway. I guess it was the guilt, or you could call it a sign since it wasn't something you'd usually do. You came in the living room and greeted us warmly with that contagious smile. I remember the last time seeing you, you shook my hands warmly with a bright smile, greeting your niece, which warmed my heart. You did the same to your sister and your auntie, but you hugged her instead. It was like your spirit telling us you were no longer going to be with us, but neither of us looked at it that way, since no one was expecting this. But who would? We know all of us will leave this world one day, but never knew your time was right around the corner, nor the way you left. But now we have to try to come to terms that you are no longer in the physical world we called earth, but spiritually you are back in the arms of your Maker, our Creator, God Almighty. As we know, God knows best. He knows it all. Why you left the way you did. Why you left us so soon. As believers, we have hope in the resurrection. As John 5:28 reads, "Marvel not at this, for the hour is coming, in the which all that are in the graves shall hear his voice," and also in Acts 24:15, "and have hope towards God, which they themselves also allow, that there shall be a resurrection of the dead, both of the just and unjust." Glenmore, also known as Papa, or Singy Singy, but I will call you Pops. You were a light that shined on many, a humble, caring, loving, a go-getter who wanted the best for his family, especially his mother, a person who one could always rely on, a guy who helped others in need. I could go on and on and on about who you were. You really will be missed. You were the big brother I never had, although you are my uncle. Rest in peace, Papa. A son, a brother, a uncle, and a dear friend.